In this video, I'll show you how to recover deleted photos from Google Photos. First, open your web browser and go to Google Photos, or open the Google Photos app on your device. Make sure you're signed into the Google account where the photos were stored. Next, click on Trash or Bin from the menu on the left side. Here, you'll find photos and videos that have been deleted recently. Browse through the deleted items and locate the photos you want to recover. Select the photos by clicking on them. Once selected, click the Restore button. Google Photos will restore the selected photos to your photo library and any albums they were previously in. If you can't find the photos in the Trash or Bin folder, they may have been permanently deleted. Keep in mind that items remain in the trash for a limited period before being removed permanently. That's it. This is how you can recover deleted photos from Google Photos. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.